Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY, and welcome back to the Palace. In today's video is a tablescape, and this tablescape is for the collaboration group, the Glam Squad. Now we had to create a diamond frosted tablescape, but before jumping into that, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Tap your bell twice and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright, if you want to see what I created for this diamond frosted tablescape, just keep sticking around.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Now for this diamond frosted tablescape, I started by setting all my sides, so all four of my side plate settings are the same, and I did not use a tablecloth either for this one. And I started with those snowflake design chargers, and they are from, well, they were from Family Dollar, and they was only $2 each. I have that gray design plate, and that plate is from Family Dollar as well, and they were $2 a piece. I layered it in with my napkin and my Pure One napkin ring. And you guys, you know, my hack for napkins is I use pillow covers, 12 by 12 pillow covers. So this is a pillow cover from Family Dollar that I use as my napkin ring. I'm sorry, pillow cover from Dollar Tree. I use Dollar Tree silverware on every setting, and those are my Dollar Tree wine and water glass. And again, all four plate settings are the same. Now there's a little difference at the head of the table. Both heads are the same, but I started with that matte finish silver Dollar Tree charger, that smoke gray Dollar Tree plate that I DIY'd to give me that smoke gray and silver marble look, my napkin ring, my DIY wine glass. I'm going to drop that video link in the description box. And that's all the same. Now for the table runner, this is a Dollar Tree table runner. I have two on the table. I DIY'd them because I have them layered with that rhinestone hot fix sheet. If you're wanting to see how I am creating these different table runners, drop me a comment and I'll actually give you a video for how I'm doing these different table runners. Then I have my vase with my centerpiece, and that's just my silver peaks with my white berries. My two DIY crystal rhinestone vases with my two crystal rhinestone, and they like bells to me, and I just DIY'd them and added the Dollar Tree Christmas bell onto it, followed by my two crystal candle holders. It's kind of sticking in the back, but they are there. That concludes my diamond frosted tablescape. Please make sure you check out the other Glam Squad members to see what they created for their tablescape as well. And don't forget to hit that playlist link to see what all your fabulous content creators did create. We appreciate your support. And again, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always